If you took Spanish in high school and came away with little to show for it, you don't want to repeat that experience. So which language learning apps actually prepare you for real-world fluency? Today, I'll cover our top 5 apps for learning Spanish in 2026 so you can find the right fit for your learning style. Let's start with our pick for the best overall Spanish language program, Rocket Spanish. Here's why it works. First, Rocket uses interactive audio lessons where an English-speaking moderator guides you through a conversation between fluent Spanish speakers. No other Spanish app, apart from maybe Pimsleur, which I'll touch on in a minute, comes this close to simulating real-world conversations. While a lot of other Spanish apps simply offer basic, isolated drills, Rocket focuses on the most essential aspects of language learning, listening and speaking in context. Second, Rocket supplements each audio lesson with a diverse set of practice skills to reinforce what you learned. The most helpful exercises are the mock conversations. Following each audio lesson, Rocket lets you repeat the conversation as one of the 2 main speakers. This challenges you to use the language under pressure, which is crucial for achieving an intermediate level of fluency. On a related point, Rocket's speech recognition technology is easy to use and very accurate. As you complete the speaking exercises, your pronunciation is graded on a scale from 1 to 100. Finally, I really like their dedicated grammar lessons. Including direct grammar instruction helps you better understand how to form sentences, conjugate verbs, and do real-world writing. If you like clear explanations of grammar rules in English, you'll appreciate Rocket Spanish. That said, here's where Rocket can improve. First, the lessons are somewhat lengthy. Each lesson takes about an hour to complete, which might be a lot if you've got a tight schedule. The other downside is the Rocket Spanish price. They only sell one-time purchase lifetime plans that cost a bit more upfront. Level 1, which is beginner, costs around $150, with the bundled package of levels 1, 2, and 3 combined costing more. That said, those are just full retail prices. Thankfully, Rocket is almost always running some sort of special promotion. In fact, I'll do my best to keep the description below updated with the most current discount codes out there. So check the text below the screen. You can usually save 50 to 60%. Next up is our top budget choice, Babbel. I know Duolingo is another popular alternative in this affordable tier of Spanish programs, but after testing both, we like Babbel much more. Their course is not as comprehensive as Rocket's, but it's surprisingly good for how inexpensive it is. Here's what works well. Their practice exercises are wonderfully varied, which keeps you engaged and makes lessons move quickly. In fact, they only take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, making them ideal for busy professionals trying to squeeze in a little review over your lunch break or after dinner. Second, their speech recognition technology is also super accurate, which is ideal for improving your pronunciation. Next, they incorporate streamlined grammar instruction that's easy to digest. Instead of full grammar lessons, you're just getting quick tips sprinkled throughout, so it's not overwhelming. And finally, the Babbel mobile app and digital interface are modern and intuitive. Everything is sleek and easy to use, and all of the Babbel lessons are fun and very manageable. Now, one thing Babbel could do better is to offer more speaking practice. Babbel has made some improvements here, like in 2025, when they added an AI conversation partner called Babbel Speak. Still, if you're already an intermediate or advanced learner wanting to improve your real-world conversation skills, Rocket Spanish might be a preferred fit. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, Babbel's subscription plans are reasonably priced. You can sometimes find their plans for less than $10 per month, which is an absolute bargain. Plus, Babbel routinely offers special prices throughout the year, so make sure that you're getting the best offer. Okay, at the number 3 spot on the list is Pimsleur. Like Rocket, their Spanish program is great for auditory learners since their curriculum revolves around interactive audio lessons. Here's what makes Pimsleur unique. First, the Pimsleur mobile app includes a unique driving mode so you can learn Spanish in the car, which is a game changer for people who drive a lot. Second, Pimsleur has a nice AI conversation and voice coach that provides personalized feedback on your speaking, vocab, and grammar. They also added a new challenges and rewards program in 2025 that lets you earn and redeem points for a more gamified learning experience. Next, unlike Rocket, Pimsleur offers monthly subscription plans. If you plan on taking things slow or don't have the money for a lifetime package up front, Pimsleur is cheaper to start out with. Their standard plan costs around $20 a month, which is a lower entry point. Plus, Pimsleur offers a free 7-day trial, so you can try out their course without being charged. The link to that free trial will be down in the description for you. I'd give that trial a shot if Pimsleur sounds right for you. Bottom line, think of Pimsleur as a cheaper substitute for Rocket. While their Spanish app isn't quite as well-rounded, it still emphasizes audio learning and preparation for real-world conversations. Now let's discuss 2 solid options for visual learners. First up is Rosetta Stone. Their immersive approach to learning is built almost entirely around imagery. In fact, every exercise within the Rosetta Stone lessons essentially contains some sort of image or graphic. Plus, Rosetta Stone provides a ton of supplemental resources like short stories and phrase books, which adds some helpful variety so you're not always doing the same repetitive drills. I also like the Rosetta Stone mobile app, which lets you access all course content on the go, including their AI-powered True Accent speech recognition software. Subscriptions cost around $10 per month after promos, which is pretty reasonable. I also see really good discounts for Rosetta Stone on a regular basis. You can often get their program for up to 60% off with coupon codes. Finally, if you prefer to learn by watching videos, we highly recommend LingoPie. This isn't a conventional language learning program with a structured curriculum. Instead, LingoPie is an on-demand video platform using real TV shows and movies to help you learn Spanish. Here's what sets them apart. LingoPie has produced all sorts of top-quality, engaging content you can choose from. Once you start watching a show or movie in Spanish, you can pull up subtitles plus a variety of other features like a grammar coach tool, AI-powered explanations of each word and context, and interactive video-based flashcards to help you understand the characters and pick up natural phrases along the way. The idea is that by making language learning entertaining, you'll stick with it longer than other Spanish language apps. Their content library is excellent, and in 2025, they added hundreds of new shows and movies for more selection. Better yet, their subscription plans are surprisingly affordable, as low as $7 per month after promos. Bottom line, if you're tired of traditional language apps, LingoPie is a fun option, especially for those who have already learned some basic Spanish. So time for that final verdict. What's the best app for learning Spanish in 2026? If you want a comprehensive program that's going to help you learn intermediate or advanced Spanish, my answer is Rocket Spanish. Their conversation-based approach helps you develop an ear for real-world Spanish and gain the confidence to speak up, while their sophisticated speech recognition software gives you a super accurate grade for your pronunciation while coaching you to improve. Plus, I'm really a big fan of their direct grammar lessons, which help you truly understand how Spanish works. However, if you're on a budget or a tight schedule, choose Babbel. It's the best value on the market, offering fast, engaging lessons that fit in a lunch break without breaking the bank. Both are fantastic, but for the most complete experience, Rocket is the best choice. Anyways, I know that was a lot of info, so for a full comparison chart of every price and feature, just Google Test Prep Insight Best Apps to Learn Spanish. And remember, we give away a free language learning course every month. To enter, just drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're leaning toward. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.